Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw on crypto.com to your US bank account. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening the crypto.com app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Locate and tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Accounts section, find your crypto wallet. Select your crypto wallet to view your holdings. Identify the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Tap on the cryptocurrency to access its options. Look for the Withdraw button and select it. Choose Withdraw to Bank Account from the withdrawal options. If you haven't set up a bank account yet, select Add Bank Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your US bank account securely. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Withdrawal section. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to convert and review the conversion rate and confirm the amount. Proceed by tapping on the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. You may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once authenticated, your withdrawal request will be processed. You will receive a confirmation notification once the withdrawal is initiated. Please allow some time for the funds to arrive in your bank account. Check your bank account to confirm receipt of the funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.